Now, thanks to our table plot, we see a comparison of different SaaS products. Let's jump directly into it. As usual, we start from my flows. I already prepared one called table. We open the editor and jump into the file manager. Here in the file manager, I upload my data. In this case, it's called tables sample data.csv, and I upload it. Thanks to aicuflow, the dataset gets enriched and we can jump directly into the plots dashboard section. Here, I create a new plot and I search for table. It's a standard type, and here we are. Again, I confirm that I want to use that specific dataset that I just uploaded, and we continue. Now that we are here, let's see which columns are interesting. It's very crucial to know the product name, but I also want to look at the different integrations that they have, also the active users and the different category. I can increase the row limit, but let's keep it at 100. I will jump directly into the advanced option. I would like to sort for a specific column. In this case, I'm very interested in the integrations, but the order is wrong. I want it in descending order. Here it is. I could also change other columns here, but I directly create the plot. The plot has now been created, and I can also jump again into the stylings section and opt for something like high contrast and apply the color. Now that the high contrast has been applied, this plot is ready to be exported. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out all of our social media platforms. If you have any doubts, feel free to check out also our documentation, which can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we will see each other in the next video.